Hello friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex, and like always I'm happy to show you nice properties, friends, and help you buying and renting out real estate properties at our beautiful and sunny Costa Blanca region. Now it's 1st of June, and yeah, it's actually hot now in Spain. I'm standing in a community area in a swimming pool of one community located in Villamartin that only has 5 years, and we can see the house that we have on sale from here. Well, the roof terrace of that house that has 3 bedrooms, 3 terraces, 4 floors. So it's a big house that has more than 100 square meters size inside and 40 square meters of terraces, offering this nice community pool. And of course, Villamartin, where we have 700 meters from here, a golf court, golf club, 5 kilometers away to the beach, and a lot of green area and nice view from this house. So this opportunity is perfect for somebody that is looking for something to live permanent here in a nice area, or also nice place to have as a holiday home. This house has a price of 325,000 euro. And now, within more words, follow me and I will show you this nice house. And here, friends, is the main entrance to the private terrace of this nice house. As you can see, it's a possibility to enter your car and park your car inside. So this nice house have 3 floors and a nice roof terrace that I will show you. Follow me inside. So we are inside the house. The house has only 5 years. Everything what you see here is included, only just few wardrobes and small things will go out, and of course personal things, but all the rest will stay. All the white goods, almost all the furniture and everything what you see in this house. We have a lot of wardrobes, big modern kitchen with an island. Here the ventilation, as I mentioned before, only 5 years, everything is brand new. This is the window that goes to the private terrace downstairs, so you can also exit if you want direct from the living room. Here we have 1 bedroom. All bedrooms are same size. You will see now upstairs the 2 more bedrooms that we have in this house. The wash machine is here under the stairs, so spacey living room with nice kitchen. And now follow me and I will show you the upper side of this house. So this is the first floor of this house. All bedrooms have underfloor heating. We have a centralized air conditioning system in all the house. And on this first floor, friends, we have 2 bedrooms and 1 bedroom that I can directly access here from the stairs. You see the size. We have a shower plate. Everything is modern, new, nice lighting. And friends, important, you can join this bedroom direct from the stairhouse or direct from the bedroom. So you have 2 accesses to the bedroom. It's very nice done. I see the qualities of the doors, very good qualities on this case. And here, friends, we have this bedroom, this first bedroom with small terrace that is going direct outside to the street where we start to film this video. And next, on this side here, friends, we have the second bedroom. This bedroom has same orientation that goes to the street, very bright, as you see, inbuilt wardrobes, very high ceilings. We have very high ceilings in all the floors. So yes, you feel a lot of space and you can breathe here. And now follow me, we go to the second floor. So, what are you doing there? Let's go to see the 3rd floor. This is the roof terrace. This is the 3rd and main bedroom of this nice house. Of course, this bedroom is en suite and has a private bedroom with same shower plate as the others. Yes, we have a lot of light here, same orientation to the street, but we have another window that goes to, check it out, to this nice small terrace here outside, on which you can enjoy watching all this nice green protected area of Villamartin. This is a wardrobe to save some things. And now we are going to the last floor, to the roof terrace, to this nice roof terrace with nice view. So finally, now we are at the roof terrace of this nice house, and we have two orientations to see and watch a nice view. Yes, friends, we have a sea view here. We see a lot of yes, residential area of Villamartin, and yes, it's nice view with sea. But otherwise, we can also enjoy the rest of view to Villamartin area, Villamartin and Blue Lagoon, and of course, check out, have nice, you have a nice view to all this green protected area. I can even see the Salt Lake or Pink Salt Lake from here. Also, Ciudad Quesada, the mountains of Orihuela. So yes, the view from here is fantastic. Well, three bedrooms, big terrace on the entrance, one balcony, another terrace, roof terrace, modern, only 5 years. Yes, in one of the best area. We are just 700 meters away from golf course of Villamartin, and yeah, perfect place for golf lovers, perfect place for somebody that are looking for holiday home or for a permanent living. Contact me if you like this house or if you need more details about this house. I leave you my contact details here below this video like always, and I will be happy to answer all the questions regarding this house or any other property here at our beautiful and sunny Costa Blanca region. Subscribe this channel, share this video with your family, your friends and lovers, and see you next time in our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Adios.